Today, we're diving into one of the biggest shortcuts in the world of artificial intelligence. It's a technique that lets you build some seriously sophisticated AI, not in years, but in days.
I mean, just think about that for a second. Imagine taking the whole years-long process of training a powerful AI model and just crushing that timeline. It almost sounds too good to be true, but it's the very real promise of what we're breaking down today.
And we're not just pulling this out of thin air. Our guide for this whole thing is AI educator Dr. Vernette Grant. We're going to walk through her framework for what she calls the ultimate AI shortcut, a concept she's teaching to innovators all over the world.
Okay, so to really get why the shortcut is such a big deal, you first have to understand the huge mountain it helps us climb. Dr. Grant calls it the blank slate problem, and it's a perfect name for it.
Think about what it actually takes to build an AI from scratch. You're talking about feeding it just colossal amounts of data, running it on supercomputers for months on end, and pouring in a staggering amount of time and money. It creates this massive barrier that pretty much locks out smaller teams, startups, and innovators who don't have a giant budget.
And that's really the heart of it, you know? You're starting with an AI that's basically a new board, a total blank slate. It doesn't know anything about language, or images, or logic. You have to teach it every single thing. It's like having to reinvent the wheel every single time you start a new project.
But what if there was a way to just skip that whole grueling initial phase? What if you could take a shortcut through all that knowledge?
That one question right there, what if you didn't have to start from zero, is the key that unlocks this entire idea. And Dr. Grant has the perfect analogy to make it all click.
So to make this powerful concept feel super intuitive, Dr. Grant uses this really simple, brilliant analogy, and it all has to do with learning to ride a bike.
This breaks it down perfectly. Okay, so think about learning to ride a bicycle from scratch. You've got to master balance, steering, and pedaling, all at the same time. It's tough. But what if you already know how to ride a scooter? Well, you've already learned the hardest parts, the balance and the steering. All that's left is to add the new skill of pedaling. You just transfer your existing knowledge, and it makes learning the new task way faster.
And that right there is the magic of transfer learning. You take a pre-trained model that's an AI that's already spent thousands of hours learning a general task, like recognizing objects and photos, and you use that as the starting point for your new, more specific task. No more blank slate. You get to start with a solid foundation of knowledge already built in.
Exactly. That pre-trained model is like a huge knowledge base. It already understands basic stuff like edges, textures, shapes. So your job isn't to build this massive library of knowledge from scratch anymore. Instead, you just take that existing knowledge and fine-tune it. You just make a few small adjustments for your specific goal.
So this all sounds like a game-changing theory, right? But what does it actually look like in practice? Let's take a look at the real-world impact and see how this is speeding up AI right now.
Just look at this chart. The difference is kind of wild. That bar on the left, that shows you the enormous resources you need to train a model from scratch. And that tiny little bar on the right, that's what you need with transfer learning. Because you're only fine-tuning, not teaching from zero, the data and time required just collapse. It makes everything radically faster.
And this isn't just a theory. Dr. Grant's work shows how this is already transforming whole industries. In healthcare, models that were pre-trained on millions of random internet photos are now being quickly fine-tuned to spot specific diseases in medical scans. In manufacturing, it's helping optimize robotic assembly lines. And maybe the most important part, it's letting researchers tackle huge problems without needing the budget of a tech giant.
So at the end of the day, this is about way more than just being efficient. This is about democratizing artificial intelligence. By lowering those huge barriers to entry, transfer learning is taking this incredible technology out of the hands of just a few big companies and putting it into the hands of innovators everywhere.
So you're probably asking the next logical question. Okay, this sounds amazing. How can I start actually using this?
Well, Dr. Grant lays out a pretty simple three-step process. First, you find a pre-trained model that's already pretty good at something related to your goal. Next, you use awesome open-source tools like Google's TensorFlow Hub or Meta's PyTorch to fine-tune it with your own data. And finally, you just experiment, innovate, and share what you've built. That's how the whole AI community grows.
And this quote from Dr. Grant herself really says it all. Want to build cutting-edge AI applications without spending countless hours on training? Transfer learning is your shortcut. Seriously, if this idea gets you fired up, you should definitely look up Dr. Grant's teachings online.
She offers so much more on how to actually apply these concepts.
So we'll leave you with the same challenge that Dr. Grant gives her students. Now that you know you don't have to start from that blank slate, now that you know you can build on top of a world of existing knowledge, the only real question left is, what's the first project you would accelerate with transfer learning?